Hey guys, welcome back to another video of mine. Today's video is a day in the life, and I'll be taking you throughout my day. Well, practically, technically throughout my days, because this video goes beyond one day. So to start off this day, which is a Friday, I am going to brush my teeth and do like my skincare routine, wash my face, put my oils and my lotion on and stuff like that. Now moving on to the clothes, I'm getting the kids ready for school, so I'm ironing their clothes, their school uniforms, and today is Friday, like I said earlier in the video, so that today is jean day for them. So you will see me iron some school uniform shirts and some jeans. So now that I've gotten the kids dressed and ready for school, I'm signing off some papers on baby girl's folder, and then I'm going to prepare her lunch. My son, he's already had prepared his lunch. He also fed the dog for me and took the dog outside. So that's his little chore that I got for him in the mornings. He feeds the dog and takes the dog outside to use it. So I'm fixing lunch. So after that, I decided to go hang out with my best friend, and we decided to eat some breakfast at a place called Biscuits and Jams, and it was so good. Then following that, I went to Ross because I needed to purchase some new sheets for my bed, and I took a little dip down the Easter aisle to check out their Easter decor. So moving on to the aisle that I'm supposed to be on, which is the sheets. I saw this little Nautica set at Ross, and I ended up putting it in my basket, but I ended up not getting that, but I should have. But now I'm moving on to a Walmart, and I'm going shopping for some household items such as, dishwashing liquid and paper towels, toilet paper, little necessities like that. So now we're going to fast forward about roughly 3 to 4 days later. I had a stomach bug, and I was so sick that same day that you saw me, going to Ross and getting groceries, not groceries, but getting, stuff for the house. That same day, literally like a few hours later, I was sick, throwing up, had the body aches, chills, diarrhea, which is TMI, I'm sorry, but yeah, I had a stomach bug. But my kids had a stomach bug maybe like 3 to 4 days earlier. They had the same bug, and that's why I was purchasing some new sheets, because my daughter, she vomited all over my bed. But yeah, so I ended up catching it after the kids caught it. My husband caught it. So yeah, our house was just tore up. So this video was supposed to be a day in the life, but now it is a days in the life. And now I'm catching up on some housework because my house was a mess. Like, I don't even think that this video give the house any justice, how dirty it was. I was so weak and just like, dealing with the bug that my house became a mess. So now I'm doing dishes and cleaning up. You will see me clean the stove and stuff like that because it was just horrible. I want you guys to meet my fur baby. Her name is Bella, and we call her Bella Wella 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 Wella. Look at her. She's so spoiled, y'all. Like, I can't even video her because she won't. Bella, let the people see your face, Bella. Let the people see you. Let them see you, Mama. Let them see you. Let them see you, Mama. She gets so excited. Let them see you, Mama. Let them see you. I've been having her since August. And she was 6 weeks old. And now she is 6 months old, Mama. And now I am 6 months old, Mama. Now watch. She goes crazy around my feet. Like, Bella. Excuse my feet, y'all. I need a pedicure. But, Bella, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. And she loves belly rubs. I love my belly rubs. I love them. She needs to go get groomed. She needs to be groomed, y'all. But yep, that's Bella Wella. Bella, stop. Stop it, Bella. Stop. Help. So we had a stomach virus in the house, and my daughter was sleeping in the bed, which she shouldn't even be in my bed anyway. That's my fault. But throw up seeped through, even through the mattress protector, and now my mattress got yellow spots, and I'm highly upset. If anybody got any tips and tricks on how to get this out, please let me know in the comments down below. I tried baking soda and it's still looking like yellow stained. So any tips and tricks, hit me up in the comment section, please. So today's scripture comes from Romans 12:2, and it says, "Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is, his good, pleasing, and perfect will." So that concludes today's video, you guys. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Become a part of my YouTube family. I would love to have you here. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below. Hit that like button. Press that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next video.